Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I've decided to make a set of tutorial videos on how you can dribble on Dream League. So this is Dream League 2024, but I think the skill will be the same even if the Dream League has been updated. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can flick the ball over your player's head, the Brazilian style, which is you move forward and you flick like this, something simple. It's very simple. Yes, so I'm going to show you how you can do this in this video. And I've created a playlist on my channel which is called Dream League. So when you hop on there, you're going to see all the Dream League styles you want on there. So do not forget to like and then subscribe to my channel. And then after learning this skill and you find it very easy, you come back and then move to the playlist on my channel, and then you go and watch another skill and then learn. So now let's get going with this. So to do this, you can see the buttons on your screen, which is the ABC. On top of that ABC, be flicking it up just like you're scrolling something upwards. So let's say you're moving forward and then you pull it upwards like that, and then you pull it upwards like that, something like that. Yes, so that's it for this skill. So just like I said earlier, after learning this, you come back to my channel and then you come and learn another skill. I'll be showing you how you can do leg over, how you can do the 360, and how you can push the ball way more forward so that the player doesn't get you. That's a bit pacey, something like that. So I'm going to show you how to do that in my next videos. So for now, I think that's it for this video. Do all to like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.